Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x800700e1, then let's look for the solutions. The first solution would be is to check for Windows updates. So we'll right click on start, click on settings, click right below on Windows updates, and we'll click on check for updates. Now once that is done, the problem should be resolved. But if this error again shows up, then there is a second step that we can do. And for that, we have to look for Windows Security. Click on this. And we click on Virus and Threat Protection here. Now go below, and below Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. And we need to close Real-Time Protection. Click Yes. And now we need to again go to the Start button, look for Settings, look for Windows Update, and click Check for Updates again. After we switch off the Virus and Threat Protection settings, once it is updated, then we go back to Virus and Threat Protection settings and we switch it on, because this is very important. Otherwise, there's a good chance that any virus or malware may infect your system. I hope this video helped you. Then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.